Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can breathe new life into your HP Z820 workstation. The ATEC 128GB DDR3 ECC LRDIMM kit. If you're still relying on a Z820 for demanding tasks, you know how crucial memory is. This kit, comprised of four 32GB modules, promises to boost performance and extend the lifespan of your trusty machine. This ATEC kit is specifically designed for the HP Z820, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. These are DDR3 1600MHz PC3L 12800 ECC load reduced DIMMs. The ECC, or error correcting code, is particularly important for server and workstation environments where data integrity is paramount. It detects and corrects memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and ensuring the stability of your system. The load-reduced aspect is also key, allowing for higher density memory configurations without overloading the memory controller. Installation is straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home. Of course, always refer to your HP Z820's manual for the correct memory slot configuration and channel guidelines. Proper seating is essential for the RAM to function correctly. The benefits of upgrading to 128GB of RAM are significant, especially if you're running memory-intensive applications like video editing software, 3D modeling programs, or virtual machines. More RAM means your system can handle larger datasets, complex calculations, and more simultaneous tasks without slowing down or resorting to disk swapping. This translates to smoother performance, faster rendering times, and an overall more responsive computing experience. ATEC backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also have a tech support team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. This level of support is always a welcome addition, especially when dealing with server-grade memory. The ATEC 128GB DDR3 ECC LRDIMM kit is a solid option for upgrading the memory in your HP Z820 workstation. It offers a substantial performance boost, ensures data integrity with ECC, and is backed by a reliable warranty and support. If you're looking to extend the life of your Z820 and improve its performance, this memory kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.